guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing Android apps of month of August. As some of you guys already know, each month we usually roll out top 6 Android apps of the month. And today we're having an amazing kind of monthly applications which they're going to be wowing you up and you're going to be enjoying. So for further ado, let's get started. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, so as you know what I mean, got some nice shades. Yeah, so let's get started. So guys, our first Android apps of the list is called BlackMagic. Well, this is a camera application which came out by BlackMagic. It's a really nice and amazing kind of camera whereby you can capture throughout your videos, basically it's all about videos, not about pictures. So throughout this kind of camera, it can have some nice and amazing kind of enhancement, some adjustment here and there, which it's really coming in handy. Throughout this kind of camera app, it has bunch of function, which I can say this is a very nice and amazing kind of application to be having, and it's a really savior because it gives you all those kind of functionality of a pro camera. Understand there is a stock camera app which you can use throughout your phone, but basically the BlackMagic camera comes really in handy. Our second app of the list is called Bass Boost. As some of you guys already know, if you're into that kind of equalizer, you're into that kind of bass boost, you really need a good application to tune around and get some amazing credible sound. Now Bass Boost come really in handy. This is a pro version, and I'll leave a link down below for the APK. This is not on the Play Store. Actually, this is from non-Play Store, but I trust that kind of source, so don't worry about it. You can download the application and you just don't need to pay for that. Don't call me wrong, this is just for education purposes only. Anyways, this throughout application, it has bunch of options. Like it has vibration. I don't know why do you need to turn on vibration, but it just have it there. It has 10 band equalizer. You can have tons and tons of equalizer over here, and you can just swipe around and enhance throughout there. As you can see, I can swipe it throughout there, and yeah, it just gives you tons and tons of features, which if you want to just go immersive on your equalizer, you can just do that. And another kind of stuff, if you just prefer some stock adjustment, you can, and it's really coming in handy. And whenever I'm swiping this way, it just goes all the place, so you just have to swipe it smoothly so as you can swipe between another phase. So it's a really nice application, to be honest, and you can go through here and adjust your volume, sound, and extend it much, but just don't do that. Your speaker might be rupture or something, because this kind of application, it's just extremely pushing it to the maximum limit. It's like you have used VLC and you push the sound much harder. Well, you know what will happen soon to your speaker, so just beware about that. It's a really nice application, to be honest. You can customize. It has some few themes over here. You can give it different color you want, and it's really amazing. So this is called the Bass Boost. For the people who are enthusiasts with sound, this is what you can just grab it and enjoy it. So yeah, jumping to our third application of the list is called PhotoRoom. Well, to be honest, I love this kind of PhotoRoom app. It has been my main kind of app. This application, it's modded. Now don't call me wrong, why am I keeping modded application? Because this application, it's just paid and it's quite freaking expensive, but you can just use the modded version, and you can just enjoy throughout the application. It's quite not bad, and you know what I mean. Just check out some stuff over here, and I'm just doing some random pick, and when I'm done, just like that, you're good to go. This is just some random stuff, so I can select my picture. Let's say I'm selecting one of my picture like this one. So when we are done with selecting our picture, to just remove entirely background. This is a really nice thing, and throughout here you can close and start creating, because it told us we are like premium. Definitely we are premium user. And throughout here you can change the background you want. If you want to use AI to suggest for you the backgrounds, well, it can. It gives you some good and amazing kind of a little bit close to what you really need. But if you just wanna, you know, I'm in the beach here, tropical, it's called tropical. Yeah, we are at the beach here like Zanzibar or something. It's really amazing. So you can see how it is. It perfects it, not 100%, but at least it showcases that I'm somewhere tropical. planning a trip some days there. So yeah, it's a really nice application to check it out. Not only that kind of feature, it has tons and tons of feature to play around, especially like if you want to select a batch of photos to edit, you can. If you want to work on teams, and it has a place whereby it keeps your content if you don't want to lose it, but sometimes it usually works, sometimes don't rely on that. Fourth application is called Backdrops. Well, this is a wallpaper application. Well, basically it has tons and tons of wallpapers, which they're really incredible and give you some nice and amazing kind of contrasty in the background, and it's really amazing. Through all these kind of wallpapers, they come really in handy, and just by tapping on your wallpaper, you can save it or you can set it with your home screen or lock screen, depending on what you really prefer. But for me, I usually just tap on set and it's automatically set, and it asks you where do you really need it. Like, let's say I set it there. You can see my background now has changed and give me some amazing kind of look, which it's really dope. So yeah, fifth application of the list is called PhotoLayers. Well, this kind of application, it's a really nice one because you can customize or you can remove backgrounds, or you can just do bunch of stuff throughout here. You can extend your images, or you can just have a freeform on cropping side. So when you're done, just tap done, and throughout here you can see you're having cut. You can just cut anywhere you want. It's like Photoshop in style, but you can just do on the magic and select there, and it will just remove everything like that, and you're good to go, and left with no background at all. So it's a really nice application to check it out. I understand right now or nowadays that this kind of application which you just tap and they remove for you all the background. You just don't need the background anymore. You just want the image over there, which it's really quite not bad. So yeah, it's a worth it application to check it out. It has an AI auto, so it can remove for you everything just by tapping on AI auto. Some AI stuff. Dope. Guys, our last but not least application, it's a game. Well, this kind of game is called Tomb of the Mask. It's a really nice minimalistic game, giving you some retro-ish kind of vibe, which is really impressive. The only thing you just need to do is to dodge around and make sure that you don't hit any subject, because if you hit other kind of subject, you die, and you just have to repeat the level and get the coins and collect some stars and do some stuff here and there, which is really impressive on this game. And it's come really handy to just pass time throughout playing this game, and it's a really dope game to check it out. So yeah, guys, that's what's up about the Android apps of August. Let me know in the comments down below which application captured you mostly. To be honest, I love the Tomb of the Mask. It's a really nice game, to be honest, for passing your time. And another kind of application which it's really dope, it's PhotoRoom. It's a really nice application just to have it. You never know when you use it, but you just gonna be using it. And it's a really dope thing to be having these applications just for overview and understanding them, how they work. They're gonna be enhancing your workflows much better. In the comments down below which application captured you mostly, so as on the next one we can improve toward the top 6 Android apps of the month, so as you can just enjoy throughout there. And another kind of stuff, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, because a lot of you guys, you're not sub to the channel, you watch the channel and you just do like that game, what it does, just run away. Just don't do that. Come on, support your homeboy here by sub to the channel and join the AB113 Tech family. It's gonna be really amazing. You already know what's popping, what's goody, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys on the next and amazing, incredible Android apps of the month, and catch you guys there. So yeah.